being able to bring a portfolio 100% helped me in terms of like organising my thoughts. So I had a lot of work experience and my own projects, and putting them all in like a document and bring it to talk to it's really nice, you know, meeting other people from different cities and knowing that you all like product design. Because we've all done product design for A-level and we kind of push that through into university. I love product design.
Starting off, it was just like a general introduction of like all the different sectors, and then after that we're doing a podcast thing. You did have about 40 minutes to plan an idea, some kind of just general thing that we can create and take home with us.
It's really nice. You get to like have a day in the life at the university, and you get a tour around the uni. You get to meet people who will be on your course.